Welcome to the 2-3D channel. In the previous video, we modeled the elbow piece. And now, we want to design the mold of the piece. First, we open the piece file. To shrink the piece after cooling, we enlarge the piece by 1.5%. From the insert menu, feature, we run the scale command. We select origin. (1.5) divided by 100 equals 0.050. Therefore, we enlarge the piece by 1.015 and we enter the number 1.015 in the command and we confirm. Right click on the command and disabling the command. The diameter of this part is 37.7. And active the scale command again. We see that its diameter 37.27. Then to design the mold, we open a new part. We select top plan as a new sketch. We set the units file to mmgs. We select top plan as a new sketch. We draw a circle. We draw a circle with a diameter of 130 mm. The diameter depends on your device. It's an example. We draw a line from the center of the circle. We trim half the circle. Then we run the extrude command. We select mid plan and we make height of the circle 120 mm. Show the top plan and right plan. Insert part. Then we insert the piece. Yes. We determine in location of the piece. A specified made as in the assembly environment. Select right plan of mold and right plan of part. We select the adoption. Select top plan of part and this surface of mold. Select mate align. After that, the piece is reversed. We select the adoption. Run, delete. We see the mold from the front view. We select plan 1 of piece and top plan of mold. Select flip dimension, the distance between two plans be 20 mm. We confirm. Half of the piece is placed inside the mold. We turn off all plans. Insert feature combine. This command has 3 modes. Add mode, it joins 2 pieces together. Subtract mode, it subtracts 2 pieces from each other. Common mode, it preserves common parts between 2 pieces. Here we select subtract. We select the mold as the main body, the piece we want to subtract. We confirm. Finally, we see that half of the piece is deducted from the mold. We save the piece. Its name be mold1-1. We copy a number from the file and we save it as mold1-2. We open mold1-1 file. We open 3 files to have molds and the piece. We open a new assembly file. First, we insert the mold1-1. After that, we insert the piece. And mold1-2. Two halves of the mold must be mirrored. We open the mold1-2. We select we click right click, we select the edit feature option. The location part with move or copy option should be clicked. We rotate the piece 180 degrees. We select first mate, after that. Then we select second mate, after that anti-aligned. We enter the assembly. We select rotate component. We rotate mold1-2. We choose mate. For our piece, we create 2 concentric mates. For 2 molds halves. First, we center the 2 outer surface. Then we match the inner and upper surface. Inner surface, match upper surface. We confirm. We select hidden line. In this way, 2 halves of the molds were created. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.